Hello, CraftyAndy, and these are my thoughts. Well, assuming that COVID or some other fun stuff doesn't kill me this year, maybe diabetes during Halloween, I have a lot planned ahead here. Now, rather than give out a half-assed video and some art project that has yet to be finished, here's a little sample of a piece of illustration series that I'm working on. Yeah, that came out right. Called Kids and Their Weird Pets. I'm just going to go with it. Fuck it. But, I just wanted to say that it's apparent that I can't take a break. Not at all. With a full-time job and the inability to predict the future and know what I have to do throughout the week, just can't really take a break. So those hour sessions with Enter the Gungeon or Dauntless, those I guess are not ideal anymore. Though I'm probably going to do just a little bit of it, thinking that I can still make ahead here, including all the topics I have planned for the future, such as talking about my crazy high school stories in line with the Cuties movie. Boy, did that controversy just go away fast. It was there and then it's gone. I wonder what the next thing people will get outraged about. Other topics will be regarding traditions, the most influential anime character, and whatever the hell else you can comment on here, assuming this video gets its rounds of sharing. Seriously, any topic, nothing's off the table, I'll talk about it. Or commission me art. As far as the main Crafty Arts series, we have Siren Head, How to Summon a Demon, Monsters and Their Pets, the Inktober of this year, the Sketchbook Challenge by Matt Bush, Year of Hell, The Advantage of Your Youth, The Demons Closing In, Has Been Hotel, and Sonic the Hedgehog. Of course, there's still a lineup including a children's book and a graphic novel that I want to make eventually, as well as get some videos edited for the second channel, Weird Zors. And my lifelong dream of editing all that game footage I've been recording. Oh yes, we need another gaming channel on YouTube. Though I do plan on doing something a little more narrative-driven and role-playing-ish. So, yeah, well, I'm sure that'll pan out. Anyways, those are just some ramblings off the top of my head, as well as the fact that I'm going to try to get more sleep, because apparently 3 to 4 hours of sleep every day during the weekday, probably including today, actually, let's be real. That's not a very healthy thing to do, I guess. Or productive in the long run. I mean, I can't work if I'm dead, but I don't know. I seem to be doing just fine. I only forgot to mention this line for a good 10 minutes or so. But anyways, yeah. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next week. Subscribe, like, share, naturally. If you have any suggestions or topics you want to see covered or artwork to be made, comment down below or commission me through email. CraftyAndy at Patreon if you want to support the show that way for digital art prints, as well as early episodes of the Crafty Arts show when those are finished. Twitch.tv/CraftyAndy IGMTM for art streams Monday through Thursday, 5 p.m. Friday, 5 p.m. for gaming, and 8 p.m. Sunday for gaming. There's an Art Pal store where the prints are for sale if you want to support the show that way. If not, there's always just subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next week, stay creative.